Hey lads, in today's video, I will demonstrate how we can create a simple ball bouncing animation using Pygame and Sys library. So without wasting any time, let's just head towards the VS Code. First of all, import both of the modules and initialize Pygame. Then you need to define the screen height and width. In my case, it's 800 by 600. You can change yours if you want. Then we need to define the display mode and the caption of the screen. In my case, it's ball bounce animation. Afterwards, we need to define the colors we are going to use for the animation, which is simple black for the background and white color for the ball. These are basically the codes for each of the color. Then we have to define the properties of the ball, which includes the radius of the ball, the position of the ball, which should be in the center, and also the speed of the ball in both the x-axis and y-axis. The clock in the Pygame code is used to control the frame rate of the game. This ensures that the game runs at a consistent speed regardless of the performance of the computer it's running on. The main game loop is the heart of the game, responsible for continuously updating the game state, handling user input, and rendering the graphics. It ensures the game runs smoothly by processing events, updating positions and states, drawing the new frame, and maintaining a consistent frame rate. The repetitive motion of ball will be caused by the game loop so that the animation runs forever until it's not triggered to stop by using the quit function of the Pygame, which executes when the user presses the cross button. These lines of code are responsible for detecting collisions between the ball and the screen's edges, and then reversing the ball's direction when a collision occurs. These conditions check if the left and the right edge of the ball has hit or gone past the left or the right edge of the screen. Ball X represents the x-coordinate of the ball's center. Ball radius is subtracted from ball X to get the x-coordinate of the leftmost point of the ball. If ball X ball radius is less than 0, it means the ball has touched or crossed the left boundary of the screen. Then we will fill the screen with the black color, which I defined earlier in the program, and then we will draw a circle and give the defined properties to that circle. Afterwards, the Pygame display.flip function is used to update the entire screen with what has been drawn since the last flip. Now it's time for testing, but I made a mistake in which I had to subtract the position of the ball from the radius, but I subtracted the speed of the ball, so let's make it correct, and then we will simply run the program. Now, as you can see, the animation is running very smoothly, and you can see how the direction changes after the collision. That was it for today's video. If you find this video interesting, then don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.